Okay lang ako, okay lang.
Sir, okay na.
Will you stay in the country po
Yeah,
until
yeah.
the whole trial po?
Yeah, of course. I'll be here.
No plans to like visit your wife?
I'm just waiting for yung schedule for the operation. That's why.
Is she better? Is she better, sir? Your wife? Okay naman siya?
She's still undergoing medication kasi. And she's supposed to be scheduled for a corneal transplant by the middle of February.
Sir, anong masasabi niyo dito sa flood complaint against you?
Oh, I have to study it actually muna. I have to study it. I don't know. I think it's something to do with the allocations for members of the Senate.
Sir, medyo mabigat po yung plunder eh. No? Pero are you confident po na kaya niyo po depensahan?
I don't know. I have to study it very well. Kasi medyo mabigat nga kung plunder yung pinagano, but we have to study it very well.
Pero kung allegation po eh, meron po kayong
I have not looked into the details of the complaint actually. And that's why siguro by this time, pagka natingnan namin lahat,
Okay na po. Nandun na po. Any assurance to the public, sir? May gusto po kayong sabihin sa publiko?
well, we'll try to look into all these allegations that are being binabato, but certainly, I'm sure, sasagot naman natin yan.
Wala po kayong binulsa, sir. Gusto niyo po sagutin yun?
Wala pa.
Malinis siya. Pero itatanungin niyo kung saan ko, sir.
Meron naman.
Thank you, sir.